Financial trading. So here now I'm going to discuss about the institutional zones, how to add it to your charts, and how you can avail the free trial version, etc. So let's say you open a trading view like this, and you will click on the charts. You will see some chart like this, and then here, once I message you or inform you that I have given you the free access, and then what you need to do is like you need to go to this FX. So here the indicators and strategies are there, right? So click on that. So once you click on that, you will have these things: favorites, my scripts, built-ins, etc. Here in the last, you will see invite only scripts. So once you click on that invite only scripts, you will see this script, my influential trading zones. So just click on that. So once you click on that, you can close this thing. And then now you will see some zones here, right? What you do, you just go to the settings of this my influential trading zones, and then remove first four, 1, 2, 3, 4, this ADR, low, high, etc. You remove it. And then plot background, generally for the support I keep it green. Opacity you can keep how much ever you want. And then plot background resistance I keep it red, and opacity also same around 30% to 40% you can keep. Click on OK. Yes, now it's with you. So these are the levels which you can see on my Telegram or Instagram or Discord everywhere. So these are the my influential trading zones. And now I'll explain you quickly like, so this is how you get the access. And after the trial period, if you are purchasing this, you will be getting the access for that particular month. So there are three ways to get it. One is our enrolled members, like the people who are attending to our sessions, price action sessions. The people who enroll for that will get 3 months free access. At around 90 days, they will get this access for these zones. So these zones can be added to any chart. So any stock, any chart, even in the Forex, etc., everywhere it will work. So you can add these charts, you can see these levels, you can see. So that is first level, how you can get it. One thing is either you need to enroll for the course, 90 days, you will get it. Second thing, you try it for 15 days, and then if you like it, you can take the subscription. Subscription would be $9.99 per month. So if you feel it is worth it, and even if you find one good trade, or even if you find a small 2 trades in a month, definitely it's worth it for you. It's all depends upon how you use it. So there definitely much chances of it working if you have the right kind of stocks in your watch list. Definitely you will find the good stocks, but it depends upon that. You can take the trial version and see how it working for you. And if you feel it is good for you, then you can take up the trial. It would be $9.99 per month. Third version is, so I have explained you this in Instagram. You can go back and check there. So if you go to our Instagram, so basically third thing is I'll be sending you a DMAT link. I mean, with that link, you need to open any DMAT. So we are tied up with Angel Broking, Upstocks, Allies Blue, and Fires. So these four, so Angel, Stocks, Fires, Allies Blue. So if you don't have account in any of these trading broker platforms, what you can do is like, I'll be sending you a link to open a DMAT account. So all the DMAT account is free, and it will be of no cost for you. But once you open the DMAT account, you need to use that particular DMAT account for your trading purpose, primary trading purpose. Let's say if you are using some Zerodha now, or else if you're doing something, if you have Angel, now you need to like open any other Fires or Allies Blue, and at least some part of the trading you need to do in that particular stock trading account. If that account is active, then only you will get the access. In this case, you will get a free access. Like how many months you use these accounts, you will get access to that particular number of months. And if any month you like don't trade, or you, let's say you open the Upstocks using the referral link, but then you are using your Zerodha account only. So I will be getting to know that how much you are trading in Upstocks, because as you are opening with my account, so my link, I'll be knowing whether you're trading in Upstocks or not. So if I can see that like your account is inactive or you're not trading, I'll be restricting the access. I'll be no more giving the access, free access to you, because free access is required only when you trade, right? So if you're not trading, then the access will not be given. But if you continues to trade, even if it's a small 5,000 or whatever is the capital, if you're trading regularly in your the opened up Demat account, you will continue to get this free access for how much of time, how many months, how many years you use, you will continue to get the free access. So these are the 3 ways which you can use. So first 2 things will cost you money, but the third thing will not cost you money. It's just that whatever the broking which you are doing in other trading account, you need to do it in the new trading account. If you don't have any account in this, you can open one and then you can use. So that's it. And so yeah. So now I'll explain you quickly like how you can use these levels. So basically these levels act as a strong resistance or support zones, or you can say demand and supply zones. You can cross check in back test like this. So when you're back testing, see that there are 4 ways, like 3 ways how you can use these zones. One thing is whenever the price or candle reaches to this particular support zone, it will react and then the price might go up. It's not always that it will go up, but see this place, the price reacted and then it's went up. So like that, there could be different scenarios where you see in this particular on 19th March. So when the price reached this particular place, price went up till here, and again there was some resistance, and again once it broke the resistance, the price went up. So these levels will act as a strong resistance or support zone. It will act as a trend changer. If you want to back test, what you can do is like you can select a particular stock or instrument and then go back and back test it. So let's say if you've selected this selected this Nifty to backtest, what you can do is right, you can go back to March or February or go back to previous months and see that. See this, it's taking the support here, it's taking resistance here, it's taking support here. And then here it's also tried to resist for some time, but then it broke out. So like that, you can go back and see how many times it's getting worked. And it's not just that how to trade the trades, etc. It depends upon your price action techniques and all. It will just show you where there's a probability of reversal, etc. It is not only reversal, there is other factors also. So sometimes you will find reversals like this. So see this, it's getting support here, again the support here. So like that many times you will see here the price is getting rejected and again it getting supported here. It's an intraday tool and then use it in maximum 5 minutes to 15 minutes. So don't use in 1 hour time frame or like that. So do it in 5 minutes or 15 minutes like that. And go back to February also, you can check how it's working. So see this, this is the place it's getting rejected. This is the place it's getting support. So this is one thing. The second thing is, so let's say the price touched this and then it did not sustain the reversal, but it broke this particular level. In that particular case also, what happens is once it breaks this particular level and retests and comes back again, there would be a huge momentum on that particular day. So it also confirms a trend continuation on that particular day. Once it breaks the level, retests and then breaks again, then you can take up the trades accordingly using your price action techniques. So that would be the other way. Not every time the price should reverse. Sometimes it can break also and then it can give good momentum on that particular direction. So you can find that example also. So here the price tries to break, right? It did not get reversed here. So it will just broke out and then retested and again came back now. So these are the things which you can find. You have to check how it is reacting to that particular level and then take the trades accordingly. Yeah. So like this, you can go back and test it. And this is example which on 23rd, let me show you. So we'll be having a watch list of stocks with us. So in that watch list of stocks, we will be daily checking, like we will be having these all watches around like 150 or something. Almost in a day, like within like 12 o'clock, we will find around 20 to 25 stocks, which acts to the institutional zones perfectly. So like that, yesterday we identified few. There are many others, like we identified few of them. So here the Tata Motors, it is in 23rd March. So the price reacted to this particular level and then it got rejected. So like that, you can go back and see. So it took support from this level and went up again. There are no other levels marked, right? So just with the institutional zones I'm talking about, you can also combine it with the some other levels or important levels of support and resistance zones which you feel, which you marked already in your charts. So these are the additional levels. So whenever you keep this, so it touched here and then went up again, like that Coal India. Okay, wait. The Coal India has worked the previous day, not this current day. So sometimes it may also happen that the price did not even touch any place. It's just staying away from these particular zones. In that case, you may not get the trading opportunity because that it didn't even touch the zones, right? So you can't say that it not work because it didn't even touch the zones. So now what you can do for the other price action techniques, or you can ignore this particular stock and then go to this Cummins India, took support, Federal Bank, it took resistance like this. There would be many stocks if you identify properly. There could be stocks like this. Every day we will find the stocks. Our like sometimes when we get time, we will update it on our Discord community. But if you have these stocks ready with you, and then you can only check for yourself. You can go back, you can select any particular stock and go back and back test how good it's working. If it's not touching the zones, then actually it won't work. Once if it touches the zones, it will work. So like this, you can go back and check. And also in the in this particular video, so I'll be uploading this on YouTube. So in the YouTube, I'll be sharing the list of all my stocks. So we will be having this watch list of stocks. So what we do is like we will every day in the around 11 o'clock or 10:30 like that, we will just scan through every stock and then quickly see what are the stocks which are respecting or which are touching approximately this particular zones and then highlight those. So we'll highlight those stocks and then keep it in watch list like this. So only on these particular few stocks, we will again filter out using the price action techniques, and then we will take up only either one or two trades. The high probable trade setups only we use, and then we take only those particular trades for us to get the proper trade setup and all. So that's how you get it, or that's how you need to use it. And so definitely it won't work most of that. I mean, if it will definitely doesn't mean that it should work 100% of the time. So it means that it will give you some indication. Most of the times, the price will get some reaction of that particular zone. When you take up the price action techniques and combine with it, you will be able to find good trading opportunities. That's what means. And now I'll be giving you this watch list of stocks. I'll be giving you a Google Drive link. So the Drive link I'm attaching below this video. So you can click on that and then you will get all the access to all these stocks. Now, if you're having a pro version of TradingView, you can directly import that. So what you do is like you can directly import that. It's a text file. So you can directly import the text file here. All the stocks will get immediately. But if you are having free version of TradingView, what you can do is like you will be getting a text file like this. So this will be the text file which I'm going to share. Here you can see ACC, Adani, and by the Adani Green, the names of all the companies. Then you need to manually go and add all these stocks individually in your watch list. So that keep that watch list as your reference. So in this free trial period, what you do is like you can go back and see every day whether it's working properly or not. See this Apollo Tides, I haven't marked it. So here Apollo Tides, whenever you're touching, it's facing the distance. Like that, you can find many stocks which works. So make use of it, and that's it. Make sure to subscribe to the channel because from now onwards, as and when we are planning to post regularly for the institutional zone videos and all. And apart from this, we will be posting some price action related videos, etc. So make sure to subscribe and click on that bell icon so you will get the notification easily. That's it, guys. Thank you so much.